Schulz is a world-class 100% Brazilian-owned company with international operations and a presence in more than 70 countries. This success story started in 1963 in Joinville, Santa Catarina, one of the most important industrial centers in Brazil. At the time, a group of entrepreneurial friends founded a small foundry with 26 employees, and Metallurgica Schulz was born. In 1972, Schulz began manufacturing piston compressors, and in the 1980s became the largest manufacturer in its segment in Latin America, a position it still holds today. Schulz takes care of every detail to ensure the delivery of the best products to the market. The company has a robust structure, which includes its own engineering for research and development of its products. Diligence continues in production, with quality control in all processes. For its products to reach the market, Schulz has a top-notch, highly trained sales team. And it doesn't stop there. The after-sales structure is also guaranteed by the largest network of technical support in Brazil. Schulz offers one of the most comprehensive portfolios on the market, with Schulz, Wayne, and Somar brands. The Schulz brand sets a world standard for piston and rotary compressors and offers a wide range of products and accessories for several applications. Wayne offers to the market air compressors, lubricating oil, and water pressure jets. And Somar is the leading brand of bench lathes in Brazil, offering a variety of products for all types of activities and service, with motor pumps, water pressure jets, machines, and tools. All of this makes Schulz the absolute leader in Brazil and Latin America in compressed air solutions with products and services focused on the industrial, professional, and residential market. Schulz products are present in the main specialized resellers of machinery and equipment throughout Brazil, as well as home centers, department stores, and e-commerce. With a strong presence in foreign markets, the company exports to several countries and has branches in Atlanta in the United States and Shanghai in China. Schulz is recognized as a modern, innovative company, committed to the quality of its products, to its employees, and the environment. And to maintain the excellence of its products and services, it follows global processes, management, and quality standards. The ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ASME, IRAM, and INMETRO certifications prove the commitment to excellence in serving its customers, employees, suppliers, and partners. Schulz believes its biggest competitive advantage is its people and relies on the strength and potential of its employees. Therefore, many have been with us for years. Investing in well-being and human development is a priority, and this makes Schulz the winner compared to younger, less experienced companies. This history of strength, tradition, reliability, and success is a result of the employees' commitment, constantly seeking innovation, and customer satisfaction. Schulz, evolution is in the air.